Hello everyone, just a quick update because I've completed my 4 weeks today. So what have I been doing? Well, I don't know if you've already seen my blog posts or my video that I put on Twitter, but if you haven't, do check out our website. So yeah, I've been to the regulation updates in Cardiff and West Wales, which were really great. I got to meet some tenants and some landlords, and everybody was really welcoming, so thank you so much for that. I've been to the Tai Ceredigion conference, got to meet lots of tenants and landlords who were really friendly, so thank you. Link Cymru, I delivered a presentation on nudge theory because I have a little bit of a background in psychology, so that was fun. Everybody again was really welcoming. Been down to Cwyn Taff, I've been to Welsh Government officials meetings about the affordable housing work stream. Also some really good stuff going on. And yeah, today I actually went down to Carmarthen, met with Bro Merthin, and that was really positive, some really great ideas coming up. Next week I've got a think tank event doing some nudge stuff, and I've got a Travalis event next week too. Or is it next week? The 15th and the 16th. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Bye bye.